Okay, hello again, guys. Now we continue solving puzzles. Now we're gonna see exercise number 4. We're gonna see just two options. Okay, so this is exercise 4 in activity 4, and we're gonna start with the first option, in which we close the switch number 1, and we push the push button number 1. Keep in mind that this push button is normally closed. Okay, again, if we push it, what we do, we open. It's the same system we have in the fridge. When you close the door in a fridge, you push a button like this, and the light is off. When you open the fridge, you release the push button. It is closed, and then the light is on. Okay. So the first option is just closing the switch number 1 and the push button number 1. So you see, if we close this switch and we push this, nothing happened. Why? Because this one is open, so there is no connection between the negative terminal of the battery and the lamp. So it doesn't matter whatever we do with these switches, is going to happen nothing. So that's the reason why the answer for the first option is all the lamps are off. Okay. In the second option, for example, if we press the switch button number 1 and the push button number 2, we're gonna see what happened. And so if we close this switch, and now we close this switch, what's gonna happen is that the current is taking this way, this path. Lamp A is on, the current is taking this path, but we have another option here. Every time the current has the possibility to take two possible paths, it's going to take both paths. So in this case, as this switch is closed, this lamp is going to be on because it's taking this path to be connected to the negative terminal. Okay, so the answer is A, C, and B. Okay, and finally, we're gonna analyze the case that you have in the solution. Is the third one. The third one is kind of tricky because we're closing the switch number 1. We're pushing this push button, so we're gonna open this, and we're gonna close this switch, right? So let's see what happened in this case. If we close this, and we close this one, and we push this push button, what happened is that current is gonna take this path, is going through this lamp, C, and D. Okay, this is open, so B is not connected. Okay, it doesn't matter that we are not closing this switch, this push button, because the current, as I told you, is always looking for the possible path to get to the negative terminal. So the answer in this case is A, C, and D, as you see in the solution that you can find in Edmodo. Okay, so last one, as you can imagine, if you close this switch and you push this button and you close this switch, all lamps are gonna be on. Is the final situation. Okay, so if we close this one, and this one is closed as well, and now I push this one, all of them are gonna be on. Okay, because I'm not pushing this, so all lamps are gonna be on. Okay, I hope now you understand how to solve a puzzle. Okay, goodbye.